Mmm, tasty. With ketchup even better. You're next. Oh, hey man. What are you doing? What? What do you mean? I'm vegan. That's what I eat. That's not what vegans eat, man. I'm a vegan too, and I'm gonna do a vegan spaghetti bolognese now. For real? You're gonna make a vegan spaghetti bolognese? Can you teach me? Yeah, sure. Follow me to the kitchen. This bolognese recipe is super easy. It's delicious and it's just great for beginners. You should try it, you'll love it, I promise you that. And this recipe doesn't require any oil at all. So it's gonna be super tasty without it, and let's just start cooking. So I will soak the onions in a tiny bit of water. After that I will add the garlic as well. Add water if it's too dry. There should be always a little bit of water. That's the point where it's gonna fry and not cook. And the carrot gets thrown in next. Okay, that worked out well. Okay, now also the lentils. Half a cup of lentils. I'm using brown ones because they have a nice texture. They will take a little bit longer to cook, but that's fine. Stir it all for a minute and then cover it with tomato chunks, tomato passata and tomato paste. Wow, this dish has a lot of tomatoes in it. Well, I just love bolognese because it's great and I just love it from my head to my toes. Time to add the red wine. I made sure mine is vegan, but if it's too hard to figure it out, don't overthink it. Let's just add a tiny bit of wine very carefully. Oops, my hand is so unsteady and I'm so clumsy. Well, nothing we can do about it now, so just to be clear, the alcohol will evaporate in this dish, so you will not get drunk by eating it. So take the matters in your own hands. Come on! Now we will let it simmer for 20 minutes. And we are back. It's time. I will start boiling water for some pasta. I will also add the remaining spices now. I will start with agave syrup, then the dried oregano and the dried basil. Then I will also add black pepper and cayenne pepper for spiciness, but it is optional to add the cayenne pepper because it's not very Italian, but I like the extra kick this will give to the bolognese. As last, I will add a generous pinch of salt. A possibility is also to add veggie broth if the sauce is too thick for your taste. Or if you want to substitute the red wine, you could use veggie broth instead also. Okay, let's add the pasta to the pot actually. Did you know that pasta was actually invented in China? And the Italians just perfected and spread it around the world? Just like COVID, huh? I forgot to add the soy sauce with all the other spices, so let's add it now. Some might think that this doesn't fit into an Italian dish, but thanks to the umami in the soy sauce, it brings the bolognese to a whole new level. In the meantime, we will prepare our parmesan flakes. We will take a handful of nuts. I usually mix walnuts and cashews and put them in a blender. We also need some salt, some garlic clove and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for a slightly cheesy flavor. Now pulse blend to combine, but don't overdo it or you will get nut butter out of it. It's been another 15 to 20 minutes and our pasta is ready, the lentils are soft and so is our parmesan flakes. So it means let's get this flying spaghetti monster ready! Well, let's not scare the kids off, I'm just kidding, let's put together the lentil bolognese. Okay, look at this. Doesn't it look incredible? Mamma mia, molto bene. Mangiamo. I have to say goodbye because I can't wait any longer. I have to eat it right now. While you enjoy some more of those mouth-watering close-ups of the dish. Buon appetito, tutti frutti. Andiamo, te amo Italia! This spaghetti was so good. Sorry, no more to share.